Hello guys, this is Silva here again. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to scalp on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so this strategy, even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to understand how to trade with it. All right, so what I want from you guys right now is to make sure you watch the video till the end. Make sure not to skip any part of this video because they are vital information I'll be sharing and I don't want you guys to miss. Okay, so quickly before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly share with you the indicator setup. Then after that I'll be explaining how to take entry and exit with this strategy. Okay, so first of all, you want to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we are going to be searching for the fractal as our first indicator, right? So you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your fractal. Now for the fractal, you can decide to use the default setting or you set it same as mine. All right, you make the pixel color blue, 3 pixel, and then you click on done. All right, that's all for the fractal. So once you add the fractal, you are going to have this small dot here on your chart. All right, you can see this arrow here, right? Those are the fractals. All right, now the next indicator we have here is the moving average, right? So you click on the main window plus icon again, you search for your moving average. So these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 10, shift is 0, method is linear weighted, right? You click on the last one here. The apply to, you see, is weighted close. All right, so you click on this last one here. Now the levels, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you are going to make it color black. You can choose any color of your choice. You make the pixel 3. All right, after that you click on done. Now the next indicator we have here is the Bollinger Band. All right, you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your Bollinger Band. These are the properties for the Bollinger Band. The period is 5, shift is 0, deviation is 0.500 applied to its previous indicators data, the last one here. Right, the level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. Under the style, you make the color blue, 3 pixel, and then you click on done. So once you add the indicators, all right, on this 3 indicator here, you are going to have these lines here on your main chart. All right, you can see this is the black moving average, and then this 3 line here, the 3 blue line, is your Bollinger Band line. All right, so the next indicator we have here is the relative strength index, right? So you are going to be clicking on the main window plus icon, then you search for your relative strength index, right? So these are the properties for the relative strength index. The period is 7, applied to its close. The level, you make it 15 and 85, make the color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. The time frame, you leave it at all time frame. Style, you make it color red, 3 pixel, and then you click on done. All right, so once you have set that correctly, you are going to have this on your chart. All right, you are going to have the indicator in the one here being formed. All right, so that's how you set it up. All right, if you don't understand anything, you rewind the video and you watch it over again. Okay, I'm sure I explain everything clearly there. So before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP strategy for growing your small account. Okay, so if you're a beginner out there and you have been struggling to grow your small account, I have a profitable strategy that you can use to grow your small account. All right, even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to use the strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that's that about that. All right, now let me explain how this strategy here works. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do is that you want to see a spike in the market. All right, so whenever there's a spike in the market, the next thing you want to observe is that you want to check your indicator window here, and then you want to make sure that this red line here is at the 85 level, which is signifying that the market is at the overbought level. All right, that means that market has reached its limit and you are expecting a reversal. All right, so you want to be taking advantage of that. All right, now this is what you do. This is how you get the confirmation to take entry. All right, now once you get this first confirmation here that this line has gotten to the overbought level. All right, now you know that market is about to reverse. All right, now sometime when it gets here, it might continue going up. All right, even this line, even when you have seen this line touching the red line, there can still be another spike that will come. All right, in order to avoid that, all right, you need to get some confirmation. All right, now this is the confirmation, and it's very important you take note of this, right? The first confirmation is that you want to make sure that you see that this red small candles here, all right, they have started going down. All right, and then you want to make sure that they have successfully closed below the blue line, the blue Bollinger Band line, and the black line. All right, they have crossed below both the line. All right, so you can see around this area when it got here, it still spike. All right, this line here serving as support. All right, and it's very strong. All right, so like if the candle come close to it, all right, and it's not like strong enough to break below it, it's going to spike again. All right, you can see it, same thing happen here, it's spike. All right, so there is this one here broke below it. All right, that is a signal that the trend is about to reverse towards the downside. All right, as a beginner, you can use the indicator here alone to take your entry. All right, you can just wait for the candlestick to break below these indicators, and then you take your entry, right? And if you are someone that understands price action, you can also use this confirmation, which is break of structure, right, by allowing the candlestick to break below this previous structure which was made by the market. All right, and that this is the use of the fractal. The fractal will help you to pinpoint it out. All right, the previous structures in the market, the fractal is going to help you to pinpoint it out. All right, so now you can see that there's a structure here. You mark it out. All right, then you wait for price, right, this small candlestick here to close successfully below this structure, right, and then you go in for 5 candles. All right, so this strategy you don't need to hold for long. It's a scalping strategy, right? You just need to take 5 candles. All right, and you can still apply this strategy again. You can still apply this method here again to take extra 5 more candles around this area again, because there's a structure here. All right, you wait for it to break below it successfully. All right, you pick your 5 candles. All right, so you can see there is a spike here. This is just showing that whenever there's a break of structure, then there needs to be a retest. All right, so price broke below it and there's a retest here. All right, so when you see this retest, it's also an opportunity for you to take entry, and you pick 5 candles again. All right, so you can see with the knowledge of price action, you can key into this and take advantage of it. Okay, so now you can see that's how the strategy work. All right, but if you are a beginner, if you are just starting out, you can just do it based on these indicators only, by waiting for price to break below the black and the blue line here. All right, so you see the black moving average is going to cross below the Bollinger Band lines. All right, and then once you see the crossing and you have confirmed that the candlestick has broken below the lines and closed below it, you go in, you pick 5 candles, you exit, and then you wait for the next opportunity to present itself. Okay, this strategy does not work only on boom. You can use it on crash. All right, so you can use it on boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, so let me show you guys some example on crash so that you see how it works there also. Okay, all right guys, so you can see here on the crash market, all right, this is how it works. All right, so you can see that the red line is at the oversold level now. All right, nextly you want to wait for these small candles here to break above the black and the blue Bollinger Band line. All right, so when you have confirmed that it has successfully closed above it, all right, the black line has crossed above the blue Bollinger Band line, all indication now is showing that the price is going up. All right, so once you get this confirmation, you have to go in, you pick 5 candles, and then you exit the market. All right, you exit the market. All right, now I want you guys to take note of this. All right, so once you are waiting for this confirmation, all right, maybe everything has crossed above, you need to take note of this. All right, so whenever it get to this place, all right, whenever this red line get to this place, there might be a spike. All right, so you need to watch out. But whenever you are in and it's not yet touching this place, you can still hold as long as you want. All right, but whenever it gets to this place, all right, if you have already gotten your 5 candles, you can exit. All right, but if you have not yet gotten it, you can still exit. All right, you need to just make sure you watch out for this area, because whenever price get to this place, this 85 zone here, there might be a spike. All right, so you need to take note of that and you need to play it safe. Okay, so that's how the strategy work. All right, so what I want you guys to do is to back test it. All right, make sure you demo trade it for like a week or two and confirm that the strategy is working for you perfectly fine before you deposit your money and start trading with it. Okay, so I think that's going to be all for this video. All right, if you don't understand anything, you can feel free to message me on WhatsApp or you drop a comment. All right, so that's it, guys. Before I go, for those of you who have not yet joined the free Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Do make sure to do that. And if you are watching from TikTok, you can check my bio, the link is there. All right, and in case you click on it and it refuses to go through, you can copy and paste it on your browser and click on it from there. Okay, so like I said, my VIP channel is going to be made free for everyone. All right, I won't be charging anymore. So if you want to join, the requirement is already listed in my free Telegram group. Okay, you go through it, make sure you follow the requirements to be able to join the free VIP channel. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.